Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining. This month of February, we are discussing the need for process documentation / knowledge transfer. Now, in the month of December, while discussing stress management in healthcare, I briefly mentioned the need for process documentation because that could aid us in terms of being able to disconnect from the workplace when we need to be. And I think it's only fitting for us to discuss same as a topic of interest. So what is process documentation? According to safety culture, process documentation is the method of recording, mapping, and describing business processes as they are being executed by staff members. It goes twofold. It is actually good for employees as well as employers. It is designed to help employees manage and managers to gain a better understanding of the process flows, the process workflows, and essentially determining opportunities and optimizing performance as you go along the process. Why process documentation is important or needed in the workplace? As stated before, it serves as a roadmap in an organization, providing benefits to both parties, employers and employees alike. So it provides a knowledge base of data which is useful in terms of how-tos to troubleshoot for existing staff. It allows business continuity as well as for new persons coming into the business. It's a smooth transition and process for new hires. For sure, we can all attest to being placed in a role where we had no handover, no training, and no process documentation. And yes, we eventually figured it out. However, that should not be the case. That should not be the norm. As an organization, a people leader, or a manager, the least you can do in the absence of a proper handover or training session, is to have a process documentation to assist a new hire coming into the business or somebody coming in to take over that role. Ideal situation, if it is someone who comes into the business, no training, no handover, and there's no documentation, they have to now figure out things. So stay tuned to our next episode in 2 weeks' time as we discuss further along the way on process documentation and the need for such. Thank you.